Good morning, everybody. We are at SNV International School, Nadiad, wherein 12th standard board results announced yesterday has achieved new heights. SNV is one of the only 35 schools in entire Gujarat to achieve 100% results. The SNV topper, Deep, has scored 99.70% and is among the toppers in the entire Gujarat. Let us talk to the management and students of SNV. Let us meet the chairman, sir, Mr. Vipul Patel, and get his reaction. Sir, how does it feel and what kind of efforts has resulted into such an excellent result?
Hello, Jai Maharaj everyone. To answer the first part of your question, that how do I feel? Simply happy, very happy. Very happy for the parents, for the students, for the entire SNV team who has provided the platform to our students to excel in their field. So yes, very, very happy. The few things that is outstanding about this result is that normally SNV is known as a ICSC ISC school. We are one of the 26 schools in entire Gujarat and only school between Ahmedabad and Baroda that has a ICSC ISC program, which has been proven to be the best curriculum across the Indian curriculums. So until now we have achieved a lot in ICSC and ISC curriculum. If you guys remember it, couple of years back we have some outstanding result where our students perform better between all the boards and they were highest in entire Gujarat when it comes to the physics, chemistry and biology subjects. So these are the kinds of achievements we have made in ICSC and ISC curriculum, and we continue to do that. But we also have a program for a state board for only 11th and 12th. And having this kind of result in a state board, especially when the state board result is worst in the last 8 years, right? It's very fulfilling. It's very encouraging. So I'm very, very happy that we are able to do the same kind of performance that we did in ICSC and ISC in Gujarat State Board also. The other things that stands out in this result is the top two toppers, Vraj and Deep. Deep is a topper, Vraj is a second. They are with SNV since last 13-14 years. They studied ICSC ISC course until 10th and then they opted for a state board and certain people went for ICSC and ISC. So when a student who has been with us for so long and they achieve something, it's more satisfying. I think it gives a lot of confidence to us that if the student studies consistently, teachers dedicates and get involved, right, and a parent support and trust happens, if those three things could be combined, students consistent study, parents trust and teachers dedication, everything is possible. So yes, this kind of a results encourages us. We will going to try more harder. We are going to try any mistakes that we have to correct, any mistakes that we have been doing, and it gives us a new energy. It's a booster shot for entire SNV team to even achieve a higher heights, to even do more. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about it is that SNV has always believed in overall development of a child. And I'm so happy to say that the three students, right, that has scored excellently in academics are a very, very good sports person. Drashti, the third stopper, who is with us for the last 2 years, is very good with music. And we are so happy that we are going to support us. We were able to support us, we were able to support us with her interest in piano and harmonium. So I guess this is another point that is proven that academic is not the only thing, it's the overall development of child. So these people who have succeeded are good in sports, music, etc. So all the huge infrastructures we have and all the faculties that we are keeping is working. So that's very, very satisfying. I like to congratulate all the students, all the parents, and as I said, we'll work harder. We will try to be more energetic. This is a booster shot to us and this gives us a lot of confidence that we can compete with the best and we could be the best. As far as the second question is concerned, About how is this possible, I will leave it up to the expert. You're going to hear from our academic director, sir, principal, madam, and more importantly, our students how they did it. So thank you all. Congratulations, everybody. Jai Maharaj.
Coming back to the academic director, sir, of SNV International School. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
How was it possible to achieve this goal, and what are your feelings towards it? Can you please share?
I am very, very happy when the yesterday results came. It gives immense pleasure that we are one among the 36 schools in Gujarat which has given 100% result. Without the blessings of Sri Narayan Das Maharaj and the saints of Santaram Mandir, it could have been not possible. I take this opportunity to thank our chairman, sir, Mr. Vipul Patel, and all my trustee members. I would like to specially thank my principal madam for the wonderful support. As you all know, teachers play a significant role in the success of the children. And SNV is proud to have the dedicated teachers who are working with us for more than 10 years and experienced. Some of them 20 to 25 years experience in teaching. And they are always available for the children at 24/7. Even at times, our children approach to ask their doubts, even some holidays. The children can approach me anytime. In fact, every week, I do call some good children from the classes to motivate them. And teachers are always ready to help them, which makes us to get this result. And it's not an easy job to get 99.7 percentile in the board result. And our 3 children got above 90 percentile. And these children are with us for 14 years, which makes further happy. And in the coming years also, we are looking forward for the best result again. On this occasion, I take this opportunity to thank my parents who put their faith on us. Definitely, it is their support we are able to get the result. Thank you, madam.
Coming to the principal of SNV International School, I would like to congratulate you, madam. Good morning. And I'd like you to share what are your feelings at this moment.
Jai Maharaj, very good morning. I'm very elated to hear about the excellent result of our students, Deep, Vraj and Rusty. And for this excellent result, I first thank the Almighty. I also thank the excellent support given by our chairman, Sir Mr. Vipul Patel of SNV International School, the entire team of our teachers, the coordinators, and of course academic directors, sir. Without the support of all these people, I don't think it would have been possible. Coming to the academics part of our school, yes, it could be possible also to go through this because of the support of the parents. At SNV, we always believe that education is based on a tripod. It consists of the school, the teachers, and the students. Without the support of each other, I don't think it would be possible for us to achieve and witness the brilliant results that our students have secured in this academic session. Academics do play a very important role, and more so as in the present times against what it was probably 15 years back. From pre-primary section to class 12 at SNV, we have ensured that we mold our children in the growing years to become wonderful students and to contribute to the society as they grow up into citizens. Each section has been planned and designed beautifully to meet the requirements of the various age groups of our children, whether it is pre-primary section, whether it is a primary section, whether it's secondary or higher secondary section. And that's why the choice of the curriculum is also extremely important. So we have given the freedom for our students to be a part of this learning platform where they can come and discuss their needs, where they can come and discuss their doubts and their fears about the future without any doubt or any fear from the chairman sir to all the teachers. Our doors are always open for our students to come and discuss whatever concerns they have, whether it is regarding to their academics, whether it is regarding to their growing up issues, or whether it is related to their future concerns. Academics do play a very important role, and along with academics, we must also not forget the fact that the other activities, the co-curricular activities, do play a very important role in the growing years of our students. SNV has always been there for the students to support not only academically also, but infrastructure wise, I think our school gives the best support for the students and in the growing years. At SNV, we have individual classrooms for the children which are air conditioned, and each class does not have beyond 30 children to have an effective learning process. We have excellent labs to support. We have a well furnished library with all the required books for the children required for the growing years. We have an excellent sports team. We have a very good infrastructure for the students to play the 9 different sports. And along with this, we have 6 music and dance and art teachers to support our children in their growing years. Our children have always been given the choice of selecting the various co-curricular activities that are really required for the students to compete, to learn, to explore themselves, and to involve in the learning processes at the school. Our parents also have been always giving us a huge support, and any success of the student is definitely going to be a proud moment for not just the parent but for the students and the school overall. SNV has always tried to function as a family. We have always taken initiatives and stretched ourselves an extra mile to do whatever is befitting for our students, and especially in their growing years. Today, we are facing a pandemic situation, which is probably not really a fault of any one of us per se. But when the entire world is going through these difficult times, it is at this moment that SNV has decided to keep the education going for our children through the online classes. Health and education are like the two sides of the same coin. So it is very important for us to understand that education cannot stop. As they say that the show must go on. So at SNV, with the brilliant support of Chairman Sir, with the guidance of our academic director Sir, with an ever-doing attitude of our coordinators and all the PGTs and all the teachers in the school, we have started with online classes. Without their efforts, I'm sure it is not possible for us to take education to every child's home. Through the online classes, all of us as a team are ensuring that our students are given the best possible platform of learning, and we want our children to stay abreast with all the educational programs that are undertaken at our school. So I once again congratulate the entire team of our teachers, especially the students and parents as well. Thank you so much. Is that fine, sir?
We are here with our SNV toppers. First of all, I would like to congratulate Deep, who has scored 99.70%. Congratulations, Deep.
Thank you, ma'am.
You've been with SNV for 14 years. Have you always been the same?
First of all, good morning everyone. Jai Shri Krishna. I have shared a good time with SNV and I am a member of SNV family since last 14 years. So with the passage of time, I have developed my personality and character. So I would like to thank whole SNV family for this.
How was your result in 10th standard?
And in 10th too, I was a topper with 94%.
Okay. What are the other activities that you do at school?
SNV offers a wide range of activities. There are nearly 10 to 15 activities. I like to play badminton, swimming and skating.
What kind of support did you get from the school to achieve your results?
First of all, I would like to thank the God Almighty, my parents and the teachers. School was dedicated to my success. I dedicate my success to the school. The teachers were always ready to help. They were cheerful every time. And whenever I had any problem or doubt, I can go and ask them at any time. Also, the library was good. It has a wide range of books which helped me a lot. And the principal ma'am, academic director sir and chairman too. He called me to and fro for any help or guidance which can improve the result of the school.
How many hours of study have you given to achieve this result?
I think hard work is not important, means it is important, but it is not only the criterion for success. Consistency and perseverance are also equally important for the success. So not only hard work, but self-learning and everything is important.
So Deep, do you have any message for the upcoming students?
Yeah, I would be proud if they break my record. So I would like to help them whenever they need, and the school is also helping to achieve great heights. So I would like to tell them to work hard and be consistent in their studies.
What are your future plans?
Yeah, I like to pursue a degree in computer science in a prestigious college.
Thank you very much, Deep, for your valuable time. Thank you and have a great future. Best
Thank you,
wishes.
ma'am. And I thank the entire SMU family for this.
Coming to Vraj, he has scored 98.64%. Congratulations, Vraj. You have been a part of SNV family from the beginning. Do you share the same feelings as Deep at the moment?
Good morning, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Maharaj. Yeah, I agree with that. What Deep said, that all of that is true.
Okay. What kind of help do you get from the school?
The school is very supportive and takes great care about what we are doing and what shall we do in the future. They are very kindly and they take very well care. They also focus on conceptual learning, which is a very great point. And that's the policy of our school.
So how many hours of studies have you dedicated in a day?
As I earlier said, that hours don't matter. What about the concept? We need to focus on conceptual learning because that's what matters. If your concept is perfect, then you will need only 2 to 3 hours to perfect that topic, and you will not need more hours to study.
Okay. How did you connect to your studies?
Well, I always prefer that what I learn should be perfect. I always prefer that I should learn the concept perfectly. If the concept is clear, you can answer any question.
Okay. What other activities did you play apart from studies?
Well, I am interested in basketball. I had been the district champion representing our school. We have a great basketball coach and great teachers which support and train us at SNV.
And what kind of a family support did you get to attain this goal?
Well, my family is very supportive. We live in rural area. So for my studies, me and my mom had rented a house in Nadia city and we lived there for 8 months so that I can concentrate on my studies.
Did you attend any tuition classes for
No,
this?
I never prefer tuition because I focus on conceptual learning, and once I get the concept, I no need for tuitions. I have never been to tuition in my whole life because the faculty at SNV is very good, and they teach us like we are learning in tuition.
Do you think sports also played a role in achieving your goal?
Yeah, definitely, because it helped a lot. It helps in raising one's confidence. If you achieve something in sports, then you will be very happy, and you will be like, I want to achieve in academic also.
So, do you have any message for the future coming students?
Yeah, I would say that focus on concept, because that's what will help you in the future.
What are your future goals?
Well, I am a student of Group B, so I would like to go pursue my career in medical field.
Thank you, Braj. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Now we are here to talk to Drashti, who has managed to score 94.95%. Congratulations, Drashti. Drashti, you have joined SNV in the 11th standard. Can you please share how you feel? What are your feelings about this school?
Good morning everyone, Jai Shri Krishna. Yes, my journey in SNV has been a short journey, but I would say that it's a very adventurous journey in SNV. My 2 years journey, SNV has helped me a lot in my academics, even other activities, and even music and dance.
What are the things you have liked about SNV?
Well, till my experience is concerned, SNV is a great school. It has great infrastructure, and what I will distinguish SNV from other schools, that in SNV has great laboratories in school, which has helped me in many my practicals, and even teachers have helped me in my practicals very well.
Okay. And did sports and music play a role in achieving the result?
Yes, actually I have very great interest in music, and teachers here, we have very great faculty for music and dance. My teachers have accelerated my interest in music a lot.
How do you feel about your result?
While I'm very happy, but I still believe that I could do very better than this, much better than this. And SNV teachers, faculties, God, my parents and my extended family has helped me a lot in growing my persistent growth, plus having achieved what I have achieved today.
How many hours of studies have you dedicated to achieve this result?
Well, 5 to 6 hours what we study in school. Rather than that, we have some breaks in which we enjoy, which makes us very happy, and again we have a great mood for studies.
What are your future plans?
While I am a B group student, so I am planning to be a medical student and working very hard for that.
Do you have any special message for anybody?
Yes, students who are upcoming here must believe in your teachers and work hard for the results. And SNV really has a very great faculties, and the facilities which they provide is very great.
Thank you, Drashti. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.